हेलो ऑल रिटेल ट्रेडर्स, नमस्कार सभी रिटेल ट्रेडर्स को। प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट एंड हिट द बेल आइकन टू गेट द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स। थैंक्स।
Hello all traders friends, welcome to my channel R3 Financial Price Action. So I believe all of you have made good trades last week. If you have seen my last review analysis of 8 November, it has been working successfully and most of us has capitalized out of it. And I believe आप लोगों ने भी बनाया होगा, अच्छा ट्रेड बनाया होगा। और जिन लोगों ने मेरा वीडियो देखा है या ना देखा हो, चलो ठीक है, देखो, धीरे धीरे लोग देखना शुरू कर रहे हैं तो इट वुड बी वर्किंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. So I'm going to start analysis for the coming week with the Bank Nifty. So last week we have done some analysis which had worked successfully. Now this time we are working very afresh. So Bank Nifty में हम लोगों ने last week देखा there has been a downtrend which is consistently working as expected and उस downtrend को हम लोगों ने अच्छी तरह से इनकैश कर लिया. However, there has been some scalping opportunity long side, which we also capitalized very well. The timing has to be very, very accurate. And for that, you need to understand if the trend is down, how to capitalize them, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So all these lower highs have been potentially worked in favor of, in favor of all the trades which we took and worked as expected. So now if you see there is a last time यहाँ पे support लिया, the drastic fall has taken this a support here, which I have explained everything in the last video, and you can check them in my last video. I will provide the link as well. सो यहाँ से जब इसने सपोर्ट लिया, ठीक है, फिर रिटेस्ट करने की कोशिश करी और ऊपर से ही लौट गया. चलो ठीक है, मीन दैट मीन्स द ट्रेंड हैज़ देयर इज़ अ ट्रेंड रिवर्सल काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न वी फाउंड इन ऑन 29th of October itself. So why there is a trend reversal kind of pattern? There is a lower, this is the low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, higher low, higher low, and यहाँ पे इसने higher low को break किया, right? So all these patterns have been working very, very potentially good. So if we see there is a outturn in this pattern, we need to understand how long it will, means whether it is a means can we depend on this or we should look for a short again. So for that we need to take a trend line from here to here, and here we can see there is a breakout. Then this breakout is being retested, and the last candle, last 30-minute candle is green in here. So this way we should understand that yeah, there is a breakout and it should rise further. So the first target would be, in my opinion, the first target would be this one. Second target would be in my opinion this one. So let's wait for, suppose there is a gap up. If there is a gap up, तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे एक रिवर्सल दिखेगा ही दिखेगा, because we have seen that there is a reversal from that, and because this was support, this was support, this was support, and support got broken, so this will act as a resistance here. So we need to understand that. But yeah, if there is a gap up upside, अगर इससे ऊपर गैप अप हो जाता है और 15 to 30 मिनट्स हम लोग वेट कर सकते हैं, देन वी कैन गो लॉन्ग, एंड इफ देर इज अ रिवर्सल स्टार्ट्स वी कैन टेक शॉर्ट्स. सो हमारा शॉर्ट का टारगेट थोड़ा कम रहेगा, बट लॉन्ग का हमारा टारगेट अच्छा हो सकता है. So we need to plan our trade accordingly, the way market opens and reacts, the price, how the price reacts at the moment of opening. but we have some dependency on major banks which are having good stakes in the बैंक निफ्टी. सो उसको भी हम लोग थोड़ा देखने की कोशिश करेंगे. मैं आई विल ट्राई टू कवर देम as much as possible. But yeah, let's move to bank nifty now. Sorry, nifty now. So uh, nifty has a very good, it holds itself strongly, although it appears to be very, very, a failing kind of, but yeah, it it struggles a lot and survives the support. So we have seen there is a downtrend, there is a bearish flag, work again badly, and try to rise, find a resistance here, which was a support earlier, work as a resistance got broken, retest, and market close. Next day it opened low, go higher, and failed to survive again, and fell badly. But the fall is like halfway, because if this is a low, this is a higher low, and this is also a higher low, not exactly but it says that yeah, I am going to stay here, and the candle pattern shows that I am going to rise further. Patterns of the candles, and once you find there is a gap up, so gap up opens at the resistance, so we capitalize this journey downfall, and once this candle formed, we stop it for the confirmation, and there is a breakout as well at this level. You can say there is a breakout. यहाँ से यहाँ अगर आप देखोगे तो एक ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, और ये ब्रेकआउट बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, मीन्स दिस इज़ अ कंसिडरेड ब्रेकआउट, और उसके बाद इसने राइज करने की कोशिश की. अभी ये फिर से एक, आप समझ सकते हो इसको, एक रेजिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे. If this resistance break, we have a good target, and I would suggest you to avoid take shorts, or you can scalp the positions, short trades, but try to avoid, because the target is Nifty may rise further, because we have seen the IT sector and Reliance has considerably pulled Nifty upside. Although Bank Nifty is suffering a lot because of some of the banks are not performing, or the profit booking is still continue. That we will check. So our trade would be like, look for the long positions as much as possible, and if there is a bearish pattern forming, then we can short as well. So currently, if we try to find this trend line, this trend line looks like there is a breakout and it is going to retest, but there is a breakout as well, so we should discard this, because you have to follow either of the pattern, not both the pattern at one go. That means you have to take your stops or take your profit. You cannot catch the bottom or catch the top every time, means neither of the time, none of never you can catch, but you have to trade the potential of the, or the probability of the huge points trade. So suppose यहाँ पे कोई rejection start होता है from Monday, then we can check 18,000 is a good support, so there is a 100 point, maybe 100 point का एक जर्नी हो, और उसके बाद से ये जब घूमेगा, the reversal will be very huge, in my opinion. So plan your trades accordingly. Look at the price. Do not jump into the trade. Minimize your trades. जब आप ट्रेड अपने मिनिमाइज करते हैं, then you will be figuring out which is the best potential trades are there. Accordingly, you can trade it. That's it about Nifty. Let's go back to, I am interested to check this State Bank of India. Last week I have analyzed that there is a very good support holding it here, but it breaks. And we do not find any trade upside, so I believe none of us have taken any trade upside. But after this support, earlier resistance, so support got broken. It survived its down journey and hold this trend line almost 9th of November, and from there it starts suffering a lot and profit booking continues. So you can say there is a breakout, and there is this whole journey behaves like a retesting of its breakout, right? And then successfully meet the target at this level. So, in my opinion, Bank Nifty, if we say public sector banks are very good uh, holding the Bank Nifty. If it falls, then the Bank Nifty falls kind of structure. So we have seen there is a surprisingly fall of State Bank of India. That is not a major fall. It's just profit booking kind of. And once the buyers are also there, you can see that at this level buyers are also there. So buyers took the right and take the journey ahead. But I would suggest you to, until you find any considerate breakout. So why I am saying this breakout is important, because this may, आप एक ये रेंज मान लो इस तरह से, और इस रेंज के अंदर आपने चेक करना है कि ये कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है इन दिस जोन. ट्राई टू अवॉइड, एंड इफ देर इज़ अ ब्रेकआउट, देन अगर कोई ब्रेकआउट होता है यहाँ पे, तो वी हैव ए फेयर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू राइड द ट्रेड एंड राइड द बैंक निफ्टी एज वेल. And if I say, let me check for the HDFC Bank. This is also a very strong weightage in Bank Nifty. So in this, I have already plotted, I think. So if we see that there is also a breakout in the 1 hour chart, there is this breakout fails, which I explained last time. If it breaks and successfully retested, we have an opportunity of 60 points, but it failed. It failed, and this strong support got broken, and we have capitalized all this journey in the Bank Nifty, and some of our traders might have capitalized this in the HDFC Bank as well. And at this support, it buyers were there. So buyers, once the buying pressure generates, it took the price upside, and there is a breakout. So breakout is good, I think, and it should rise further. Once it is rising, the Bank Nifty will rise. But we should not negate that this could be a trap also, because maybe this pattern is showing that the price is going narrowing over, and we need to check if it falls here where it takes support. If it retests this support again and come again, then we will have a very good trade. So retesting of any support first time yielding usually a good results in our trades. So have patience next week, because the Bank Nifty is in a very tricky zone, very tricky zone. That you can say risky zone. It may rise or it may crash. Not crash is the wrong word. It may fail to rise. So we need to understand all those things. So SBI and HDFC Bank we have to focus on. If we say ICICI Bank is totally washed out for the last week entire, and Axis Bank also washed out entirely. So these four banks are very strong major stakeholders, and they are leading Bank Nifty in either side, down or upside. So before taking Bank Nifty trades, please focus on the HDFC Bank, SBI, Axis, these three banks, and one more I said I do not remember, ICICI Bank. Yeah. So check all these banks before taking Bank Nifty trades, because Bank Nifty is totally depending on all the banks, and these four are very strong ones. The next is Voltas. Voltas is in a very good pattern. I can see there has been a rising wage. We can see has been a rising wage, and it is at a very crossing. Try to cross the last resistance which is not work as a support, right? Which did not work as a support, so that's why this resistance is also feeble, but it is in a very tricky zone. So we need to understand this pattern. If there is a spillover, we have a good targets. We have a good targets in terms of this level, and next level is this. So plan your trade accordingly if you are focusing on Voltas. And next stock is the Tata Power. Tata Power is a very good level, very good position. I can see. I can see that the bearish downtrend is over now, and the uptrend is working fine. So this resistance, which has been working consistently as a strong resistance, got broken to this date and this date, and retesting and cross it again and then fly. So how can we find any trade out here? We can check this trend line first. If there is a breakout upside, go for it. Go long for it and expect a good rise. Why I'm say good rise? Like you can expect this much in yeah, I think this much 258. 258 is the first target, and any week, good week means time spending week would be a bonus for your for our other trades on this one. Why I'm saying like this? If we see any if we see any sorry, if we see Fibonacci from bottom to top, we can see that it is taking support considerably at 23.6 and try to rise. Even this huge red candle survived with these tiny green candles. And if there is a breakout, we can expect it to rise further. Other way, there is another pattern. Let me check if it is considerable. Yeah, this is also good if there is a slip in this price, but I think it will hold here. Price would be hold here and may rise again. So focus on the long trades, avoid the short ones. And Nifty will be also in bullish zone now. So I believe this would be good to understand the price patterns and take the trades accordingly. If there is a good volume on the buyer side and there is a breakout, considered breakout at a support, then we should go for long with our proper stops and targets. So this is all about for the week, and I guess I will be having good trades next week. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for the good trades and good trade setups, and collectively we can do wonders. Comment if there is any question. Sorry, what I was talking about, if you have any stocks to analyze, any analysis required, you can comment and like the video if you find it good, and smash the subscribe button, bell button to get the latest update from my end. I will try to keep latest updates on frequently basis, high frequency. So happy trading once again, and thanks for watching this. Have a nice weekend and consult your financial advisor before taking any trade position suggested by me, because it will be entirely your money and your money management, and profits will be yours and losses you have to bear. So take this take all these words very sincerely and plan your trade, because trading is good. Trading is a very good, interesting way of making money with the plans and possibilities. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.